Hi folks, how's it going out there? My belt snapped, so I thought to myself, what a wonderful world. Don't start singing now. What I thought is casting aluminium belt buckle, which is okay, and can we do it? Because I don't know. You know me, I don't know anything. So we can take the measurements of this thing, which is a pretty standard size because of the loops on your jeans. So it's a pretty bog standard, but what we'll do, alright, see the trouble is this is an extra large. Well, as you know me, I'm slightly over an extra large. You know, you could use this as a lasso. So the belt buckles, they usually bend back like that and then sewn there on the buckle, or popped, riveted, which we could do with two washers on that side and rivets on this side. We'll think all about that as we go along. But a belt buckle, but it's got to have a dragon in, isn't it? It's got to have the Welsh dragon. We've got to do the Welsh dragon inside the buckle. Inside the buckle. So I'll draw it first, print it out. Looks like I got a pair of tippies. Print it out, take it to the polystyrene cutter, cut it out, stop talking to your friends and get on with the job. The design I come up with is that one. Zoom in. Pretty thick for the moment, and then we can thin it out later. But first, we got to stick that on there. You want it on there pretty fast and not too thick, otherwise it's going to take 4 months to dry. So it's going to be on that thick. So you can't cut it yet until that glue dries a little bit. This, when it's finished, is going to be about 1/8 of an inch thick. The front. The back's going to be probably similar to where it is. I think I can nigh on get to every part of it now. I bent this, which is 1 3/4, alright? A little bit there. Still want a bit there. We want to keep that a little bit. Excuse the noise. This is my wife choking to death. So we get left with that. Right, just leave it alone. Well, believe it or not, I started this video over a month ago. I'm just getting around to doing it now. Star trekking across the universe. It took me about an hour and a half to start this thing because I've shifted it all around yesterday. I put it up against this fence. This thing here is full of fucking water, wasn't it? Right, let's get that going now. Turning on, turning on. So all inside there was full of water and the rags were soaking wet. So they wouldn't light, that wouldn't light, so I had to empty that. I had to fucking empty this. Oh, the things I do, I just don't know. There you go. So that's going to take about 20 minutes, so we'll let that cook. Well, there it is. It's just a matter of polishing and doing what we do. What we do. Fun. So it's just a matter of getting a piece of sandpaper and giving it, don't take long. Well, I take a bit longer than that, but you end up with you can end up with quite a chromy looking effecty type thing. And then I get the buffer out and we buff it, buff, and then you get that thing. We got to spray in the gaps black, And then cut this knob off. Oh, cut me knob off, like. Cut me knob off. Way to go. See, my knob is still on that one. I haven't cut that one off yet because it stands up like that. It looks quite nice stood up. Right, I'll carry on doing this. My battery is just about to go. So, as I said, if you see anything you want, for fuck's sake, shout. Say something. Robbie! Obviously, you're gonna have to pay. You're gonna have to pay postage and probably whatever that would cost in aluminium, which is fucking nothing. Okay. So my battery's due to go, so I can see it from here. It's flashing.
Thank you.